Hey guys, we're here. We've got a whole brand new bunch of students going on this week, okay? We've got one new start. We've got customer car working on some dents over there. We've got our Arcelli over here working on this nice aluminum hood, doing some dents, okay? Walk around here and take a look at what we got going on. Braxton, what do we got? What are you working on over here?
Huh?
What are you working on over here?
Trunk. Dent in the middle of the trunk.
Nice organic dent, or was this one a self-inflicted wound that Sal made for you?
This was self-inflicted.
It's pretty clean. Now, working on this car, you've had a couple different panels out that you've worked on in this car, right? You've done a couple dents on this rail. You're working on the other door there. How does this panel now compare to some of the rest of them? Is this a little bit easier to work, or is it more difficult? What have you found on this car?
I think all the panels are a little different, just the way the metal is bent. Depends. The doors are easier. The angle sucks working on a door. This is like a roof, in my opinion. Except we have this hangover here, which means I can't use it as a leverage point, so I have to get my both arms under there. But other than that, it's all right. It's not bad.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah.
Let's go check on the other guys over here and see how they're doing. So Chandler, couple hours into it. I'm putting you on the spot now. Couple hours into it.
Yep, fresh.
Working on first day exercises. We got some small dings that you're working on. How's it going for you so far?
I think it's going pretty well. I think I'm getting kind of used to the basics. Finding the tooltip, reading the light.
Now, what is it that you do before you came out here? What do you do?
Automotive paint.
Automotive paint. So now, with doing automotive paint, body, bumper, stuff like that, is this easier than you thought it was going to be compared to that, or
I
more,
knew
a
it
little
was
more
gonna be
difficult?
harder.
All right. Well, I know we're going to be seeing a little bit more from him later on in the week. He's just starting out. We're going to have to check back and see how his dents are coming out. Right over here, we got Sal and Coey working on a dent in the door. Something nice and sharp. They're wrapping it up. This was a organic dent. It was there. Well, made by a shopping cart or something.
Colorado.
So how was this dent for you, Coey? Tell me about it. What was it?
Pretty deeper than what I messed with before. Had to knock down the edges and keep bringing it up, knocked it down, bring it up, knocking it down.
Now it was about the size of a $50, right? But I mean, it was sharp. You could feel this dent. It was a pretty significant blow to the door. Something like this. So looking at it, I mean, it was pretty wide open. What was like the most difficult part about this dent that you're working on right now?
Reading the lot, getting the lot into the bottom, the deepest part of the dent. I had to keep adjusting the lot to where I could see the deepest point of the low spot and push from there.
Yeah, for those of you guys who've been seeing our videos before, Coey's been with us now for a little bit. Now he's going to be here for a while. Make sure you guys keep checking back, and you'll be seeing a lot more of him. We'll leave them be. Let's go check on Pat in the back. I've got Pat back here. We're doing a wheel restoration on the King's car. Got a couple chips and some road rash and curb rash, stuff like that on his wheels. So right now we're at the point where we're going through and we're wrapping up the actual repair, and we're getting to the point now where we're prepping it for paint, okay? Now, with our wheel system, your wheel system allows you to go through and mix and match any color out there on the market, okay? We're using PPG and Enviro-based paints, and this is what Pat's doing right now. He's using our color mobile software, looking up his code, and very, very carefully pouring that paint in. He doesn't want to over pour now because it's going to throw the whole color off. And seeing as how this is the King's car, Todd, this has to be precise. This has to be spot on. We're not making you nervous, right, Pat?
No.
All right. Let's take a look over here at the wheels that we're working on. Now again, some minor road rash, a couple little blends. We're going to be doing a small blend spot here, right on the edge on the bead. Another blend spot here. It wasn't too bad, so we didn't have to go through and refinish the entire wheel. It's something where we can just tape off and paint a small area, do the small repair there, and just blend out to the existing surface and make it all match. Okay. Now, again, stuff like this is something that, this is only one of the other systems that we teach. The Ding King here offers everything from windshield chip repair to smart bumper paint, headlight restoration, wheel restoration, interior restoration, window tint, paint correction, ceramic coatings, and our new silicone Revivify coatings. If you guys ever have any questions, make sure you check back with us. Give us a call, 1-800-304-3464. Look us up on the web at thedingking.com. Head on over to Facebook, the Ding King Training Institute, and official Ding King on Instagram. And make sure you guys check back and continue to share those videos. Thanks for watching.